Hello, welcome back to my kitchen. In today's video, I'm making delicious banana fritters, crispy, golden, and packed with sweet banana flavor. Guys, this easy recipe is perfect as a snack, dessert, or tea time treat. So please, if you enjoyed this recipe, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more easy and tasty recipes. For this recipe, we need ripe bananas, flour, sugar, cornstarch, salt, baking powder, water or milk, oil for frying, and baking powder. For making the batter, make sure that you add all the dry ingredients together, which is the flour, sugar, salt, the baking powder, the rice flour, all-purpose flour, and then mix well. Prepare your iced cold water or ice cold milk. Slowly pour in water or milk a little at a time while stirring. The batter should become thick, smooth, and lightly sticky. It should drop slowly from a spoon, not pour like liquid. If it becomes too runny, add a little more flour. Utilize a deep frying pot or 0.5 liters of vegetable oil into the pot. Make sure the oil is hot over medium heat, about 170 degrees to 180 degrees. To test, drop a small bit of butter into the oil. If it rises slowly and bubbles gently, the oil is ready. If it browns too fast, the oil is too hot. fry the fritters, carefully drop spoonfuls of butter into the hot oil. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes on the first side, then gently flip and fry the other side for another 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown on both sides. Avoid overcrowding the pan for even cooking. Remove fritters and place them on paper towels to absorb excess oil. Let them rest for 1 to 2 minutes before serving. Enjoy warm for the best crispy texture and soft center. Guys, not just raspberry, but you can also add a pinch of cinnamon or sprinkle powdered sugar on top of the sweet finish banana fritters, or you can even serve with honey, chocolate sauce or condensed milk. Best enjoyed fresh and warm for maximum crispiness. So guys, this is all what I have for you today, from my kitchen to your kitchen, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, like and share to help my channel grow. thank you all for watching. For more inspiration, follow me at Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat. See you next week in another edition. Take care of yourselves. Bye. I love you all and stay blessed.